Hi friends, welcome to Computer Science Learners. In SQL lecture series, now we will discuss about update and delete commands. So update and delete commands belong to the data manipulation language commands. Whenever the table was created initially, if you try to modify the column values, we can use the update command. So update command is used to change the data in the table. Using update command, you can change a particular column value of a particular record, or you can change the entire column values of all the records available in the table. So here you can observe the syntax: update table name set column name equal to value. It means you are changing one column value. That means all the records of that particular column value is changed. For example, if you try to write the query like update some employee set address equal to Vijayawada, so whatever the rows available in the table, for all the rows, for all the employees, the address is modified as Vijayawada. Okay, and you can write the update command as update table name set column name equal to value comma column name equal to value. That means you can change multiple column values at the same time, and you can apply the where condition. So where condition, suppose I want to change an employee address which employee ID equal to 1. That is the condition. So we are not going to change all the employee address. We are going to change one employee address whose employee ID equal to 1. So like that you can modify the values of the table by using update command. And the next command is delete command. So delete command is used to remove the information from table. So suppose a table consists of 30 records. Now I want to clear all the contents. I can use the delete command. So the delete command syntax is delete from table name. So delete from employee, let us say. So it deletes all the records available in the employee table. Or else you can write the query like delete from table name. You can add where class. You can write the condition where column name equal to value. So based on the condition also you can delete the data. That means you are not going to delete the entire table. You can delete a particular record, or you can delete a particular column. Okay, so by giving the condition you can delete that particular record. So this is about update and delete commands. So now we will see the demonstration of these commands. So first I check whether employee table is available or not with the data. So for that I am trying to execute select star from employee command. So yes, employee table is available. Now I want to use the update command. So update means here I am trying to update the address of all the employees. So what is the syntax for update? Update table name, update table name set address equals to some, I am giving some Chennai. Okay. So 3 rows updated. Now we will check the data. See, all the employees address is changed to Chennai. So update table name set address equal to Chennai means the address field, wherever the address field is available for all the records, that value is changed by the given value. So you can update, you can use the update by adding the where condition also. Now I want to update the address of employee whose employee ID equal to 1. So I am writing the query like update table name employee set address equals to Vijayawada, where you can add the where for which employee whose employee ID equals to 1. So I am changing the address of employee 1. Initially it was Chennai. Now I am updating employee ID 1 address is Vijayawada. Now I am trying to execute this command. One row updated. If you check the data, see employee ID 1 address is changed to Vijayawada. So like that I am changing address as some Vizag where employee ID equal to 2. One row updated. So try to get the complete content. See employee ID equal to 2. So address is changed to Vizag. Okay, like that you can update the field values, either single value or multiple values or the entire table using update command. Now we can use the delete command. Delete command purpose is what? So delete command purpose is to remove all the contents from the table. So by applying the condition or without the condition. First we will check by applying the condition. So what is the syntax for that? delete, delete from table name, delete from employee. I am applying the condition. I don't want to delete all the records. I want to delete a record whose employee ID equal to 3. For that, delete from employee where EMP ID equals to 3. Delete from table name employee where employee ID equal to 3. Now I am trying to execute this command. One row deleted. If I try to check all the data, see there is no employee ID or employee record with employee ID 3. So without condition, if I try to write delete command, delete from table name employee. How many records are there in the employee table? 2 records. So I am trying to execute the delete command without adding the where condition. Delete from table name. So run this. 2 rows deleted. Check whether data is available or not. No data found. That means if you are not supposed to apply the condition, all the data in that particular table was deleted. If you want to delete a particular record, you can add certain condition by using the where class. So this is all about update and delete commands. Okay. So thank you very much.